Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a heavy duty poster stand and it is heavy duty. It's heavy for sure. So we're gonna take this out of the box and try to figure it out. I'll probably need to get my, well, let me see if I can just dump it out here and then we'll give it a go. So this is it here. So we have to open it all up. Hopefully it's fairly assembled. We'll see here in a second. Looks nice. Okay, so here it all is. These are going to be some of the poster pieces, I guess. Oh, it's heavy. And I guess heavy duty is the key word here. Okay, so here's all the pieces and parts out of it. Comes with some white glove assembly. By white glove assembly, I mean me assembling it. Comes with a couple of Allen wrenches. And then I'm not sure. I guess this is probably going to be some sort of base because it's heavy. Let's see if it comes with instructions. It looks like it does in here. So I'll just put this up top here for right now. And here is the, if I can balance it there, is it going to stay? Nope. Okay. It'll go right there. Well, it's all going to go everywhere. Okay, so this is how I assemble it. It looks like I'm going to screw it through the bottom. There's two poles, and then the big one goes on top. So, if you can see me, which I think you can, I will do this. And we have the frame, and then this will go in the center as such. And then you can put your sign or whatever it is you want in there. Do I have anything I can put in there? I don't think I even do. I don't have any papers here. I have the instructions. So we'll put the instructions in there. And then you put this over it to keep it nice and protected. So there we go. So that is your signboard. Oh, you guys probably can't even see most of it, but oh yeah, you can. Okay, but that's it there. And so it's a double-sided, so you have this side, and then you also get this side here with another plastic sheet that you can put over on this side here and put something in between as well. So if you're having an event or you need anything to have this with, you've got what you need. So pretty cool. So you can put this out at a lobby, in front of a business, whatever. It's really strong. I mean, I'm pushing on it. You know, it'll take some wind, but I wouldn't put it directly out in the wind, but it looks good. I like it. And then that's what it looks like there. I mean, these pieces aren't screwed in yet, but you get the idea. And if you really want white glove treatment, I guess I could have put the gloves on, but I'm good with my dirty hands. Thumbs up. I really like this. Good piece. YIYO. So I like it.